Good freaking coffee morning to you, pals. It's day freaking 4, and I still don't have any coffee worth of freaking crap. Now, thank God, thank the Lord, I've ordered some, and some is on the freaking way. What's going on up here? Whatever. Probably because I haven't had any coffee this morning. Anyways, it'll all fluff up later. So, to make matters worse though, as if my coffee being hasn't suffered enough already, my freaking coffee maker broke this morning when I was trying to make some crappy coffee. I don't know what to freaking say. So now, hopefully, I can get on. It's a cafe coffee maker made by General freaking Electric, whatever. Everybody knows GE's been around forever, so, they'll probably help me out. But if they don't, I don't think I'm going to make it. I don't think I'm going to make it. I've already been through so much coffee trauma this week that I freaking think the end is upon me if this coffee maker. Now, I got my Keurig ice, whatever, and it's great. It's freaking great. But it only makes like 10 cups at a time. Or I'm sorry, 10 ounces, 10 cups. That's crazy. You would have disgusting brown, not even brown, like just nasty looking water if you made 10 cups with 1 K-cup or 1 K-cup ground coffee adapter, whatever. It would be disgusting. Anyways, you can only make 10 ounces at a time. And let me freaking tell you, 1 K-cup or 1 coffee filter adapter for a Keurig that makes 10 ounces is just like making dirty water for me. The most I can do with a Keurig at 1 processing is 8 freaking ounces. And that's pushing it. I like my coffee freaking strong. Like my personality. Okay? And so, me and my wife normally have coffee in the morning. And so, as I'm getting ready for work very early in the morning and having some coffee Mac time, I usually start a pot. A full 8 to 10 cup pot for us to drink. It for me, that's like 3 cups. For her, it's like 6 or whatever. She drinks a lot less than I do all at once because she loves all the creamers and stuff. I only put a very small amount, as I've talked about before, of honey and heavy cream in my coffee as the norm. Just to give it some color and take a little bit of the bitter edge off. Just a bit. Just to freaking enhance some of those flavors. Anyways, so now it's freaking broken. I gotta get on the horn with these people. I gotta beg them for help. I don't know. I haven't even had this coffee maker a freaking year yet. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm about to do a bad review on YouTube about it. Maybe I'm about to come on here and tell how much they freaking helped me in replacing my coffee maker. I'll let you freaking know. Maybe next week. Maybe tomorrow. I don't freaking know. Anyways, share my despair with me. Pray for our freaking household for deliverance from this coffee nightmare.